Hello guys, my name is Robert Mbaiwa. I'm an MMM participant in Harare, Zimbabwe. MMM is a community of financial aid and donation exchange. The main goal why Sergey Mavroti created this community was to fight the world's unfair financial system where the rich continue to get richer and the poor become poorer. Now, the ideology of MMM is to demolish this system by achieving financial freedom through the use and participation in MMM. Now, how does it work? MMM is a peer-to-peer system where the participants transfer donations directly to the account of other members. MMM is not a bank, it is not a business, neither is it an investment. MMM does not have a central account. Instead, we send our donations directly to the recipient's account. MMM is legal since there is no law that says that donations are illegal. Now, this is good that MMM operates within the confines of laws in any country. The idea now behind MMM is very simple. One participant requests for help and another one provides the needed help. However, the only thing that MMM will demand from you is honesty and kindness towards each other, and this will help towards the stability of the system. And now, to be able to participate in MMM, there are rules that have to be followed, and the following are the rules of MMM. In MMM, people are allowed to have only one account, and the holding of multiple accounts is strictly prohibited. We must be responsible for our own accounts. We must not cheat the system by making dummy accounts. All participants should obey the ideology of MMM. And lastly, we must be able to help each other in pursuit of assisting in the spirit of assisting each other, and also to contribute to the overall stability of the system. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of MMM? Now, after you provide help, you will be automatically entitled to get a 30% interest rate per month from the amount you provided, which is way much better than the interest rates that are offered by the financial system in the world, which Sergey Mavroti is fighting to diminish. You can also get a 10% referral bonus of the amount you provided by each of your invites. Now, if you provide an invite today, the invite makes a donation, you automatically be entitled to get 10% referral bonus from that amount. If you are a manager, you are also entitled to get 5% from second level invites, 3% from third level invites, 1% from the fourth level invites, and the chain goes on like that. Now, the other benefits are that managers of MMM can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each and every one of the participants that are under their structure. Now, this shows that MMM is a good financial system that can be able to eradicate poverty in the world. Thank you very much.